rescheduled it.
जयधारी माँ मम्मी,
जयधारी माँ बेटे.
सतनाम भाई गुरुजी, सतनाम भाई गुरुजी. Mummy, it's a very special day. We start the Bridge Vedi mentorship program. It's to carry his legacy forward. A very sensitive man, a very caring man, a very clean-hearted man, a noble man, and a man who could not see beyond you. He could not see beyond you. A few words about the mentorship program. ये उन बच्चों के लिए है who have been orphaned. उन बच्चों को हम लोग we will find them, and जो बच्चे खुद बहुत कीन हैं, खुद बहुत मेहनती हैं, they are looking for a family, और वो मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हैं. फिर उनकी नीड को देखेंगे, उनकी मेरिट को देखेंगे, उनको क्या चाहिए, लिंकेजेस चाहिए, मेंटरशिप चाहिए, पढ़ाई चाहिए, स्किल ट्रेनिंग चाहिए. फिर उस प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाएंगे कलेक्टिवली. ये है द ब्रिज वेदी मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम. आइए हम फैमिली को बुलाते हैं. लेट्स गेट ऑल द चिल्ड्रन टुगेदर फर्स्ट. एंड डॉक्टर कुलदीप सिंह इज ऑल्सो ज्वाइनिंग. उनको थोड़ा सा जल्दी जाना है तो वो बच्चों के साथ ही ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. वो अब्बू के बहुत बहुत स्पेशल फ्रेंड है फ्रॉम सिंगापुर. प्लीज आइए सब. प्लीज Mummy, before we start in our interaction, we see a video. Yes, Bharat has also joined us.
Very good. I'm so happy to see Bharat, Ujala, Chandni, and Mr. Oberoi. Who's that, Mr. Oberoi?
No, Mr. Dr. Kuldeep Singh ji.
Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Because there was another very good friend he had. So that's Mr. Kuldeep Singh. Very good.
Hanji.
I'm so glad you got the sons and his sons and daughters too. Bharat,
Yes.
Ujala, and Chandni. Very good.
Yes.
So good to see you.
Hanji.
Very good
Mummy,
to see you, Kuldeep ji.
before we start, बहुत प्यार से एक वीडियो बनाए सबने मिलकर अब्बू के लिए. Let's see that.
Very nice.
Abu, Mommy, Shakira's made this with a lot of love. She had a special mention. Shakira has a very special bond with Abu. Made this with a lot of love. Abu's 81. A few words. Ujala. Abu. Bache.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you. Uh, Abbu, as we fondly called him, was my father's elder brother and was more like a father to us. He was a great human being, so strong, bold, jovial, very stylish, a rare, larger than life kind of a person, a pillar that supported our whole family. Of course, such a huge loss has definitely created a vacuum in our lives, but we would want to remember him with a person who was so jovial and so good with a golden heart. He touched so many lives by his selfless and countless acts of kindness, as you've seen in the video, always giving and never expecting anything in return, and doing it primarily without even letting others know. I think his dedication to a cause was literally what set him apart. Well, I have so many fond memories with him that I'll cherish forever. But one such memory, which I'm sure Chandni can resonate with me. Like, we were really small in Amritsar, and both of us, when we used to visit Abbu and BG at their home, they would, he was extremely fond of photography. So I remember the first floor, his room was completely converted into a studio, and he would dress us up, with those fancy dupattas, etc. And he would click it and he would make a separate album every time we would go and he would show it to us. So I have very fond memories. I would really want to remember him with those fond memories. Well, I consider myself very fortunate to have spent some really good quality time, especially during his last days in Amritsar. We would rather remember him as a great humanitarian who spent his entire life for others. He was a pillar of support for many. The entire family is very happy to see that this is being launched today, the scholarship and the mentorship program, which will benefit the lives of many who truly deserve this scholarship.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Didi, for this noble thing. And I'm very happy that it's my, so today we are launching this, and I'm sure it will go to the most deserving ones. Thank you.
Thank you, Bache. Thank you. Kuldeep uncle, I know you need to go for a meeting. To ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ, you will talk about Abu.
Sure. I
Kuldeep
actually came to know him.
I
actually came to know him when I came to Amritsar and visited the school, because our first contact was actually with the master rather than him. But when we came to the school and we met Mr. Bedi, I realized that he was a great man in the sense that he had put himself, everything else above him. And I realized that the school meant a lot for him, and he would go out of the way to get donations and to help the children and all. So I saw that in him, and we also then donated generously to the school, the building and all. And in the last year or so, when I visited him, I realized he was not well, and I kept telling him we should go and see the doctor and all that. But to him, it was the school and the children that mattered most, and he put his health actually behind. Sad though it was, he knew he was ill, but he never wanted people to know that. Right up to the end. Yes. A great man, a noble man. You'll never find someone as great as him.
Yes. Thank you, uncle. Yeah. Thank you. And we seek your support. And blessing.
We will definitely. Yeah.
Gee, this is going to be for children who have been orphaned, uncle, and we'll take care. We'll Rab Rakha Sabda, but we'll do our best. They're going to be
sure we will.
Our children. Yes.
As a team, I'm sure we will be able to do something. No doubt about it.
Thank you. Ab Chandni.
Thank you, Didi. I think Abu was very cool, very easygoing, and very straightforward person. And because he was very straightforward, he was also very vocal about the local issues in the city. And like
Yes.
Ujala said, yes, we do have very fond memories of him. We treasure those photographs that were clicked by him. And he was always proud of the achievements, whether academic or non-academic, of all the children in the family. He would wait for the results and he would give us a call. Very, very fond memories of him. In fact, I had the privilege to see his work, to visit the school, and you could feel that sense of happiness whenever he used to raise resources for children, whether for the construction of school, whether getting sweaters for the children, during winters. But there's this one conversation that I fondly remember of him, and I'll be very candid about it, Didi. So when he got to know that I was joining Navjoti, he called me up and he said, uh, "Are you joining Navjoti? That's what I heard." I said, "Yes, Abu." He said, "Ole." He said, "You want to get into social sector? Why do you want to get into social sector? It is so challenging. It is so tough. There's no comfort, over there, and there's no money there. So think about it, and why don't you get into corporate life and all that stuff?" So in that half an hour conversation, he tried to convince me that I should not get into social sector. And in the end, you know what he said? He said, "Listen, you know what did I say, Abhi? Jo ki maine bola, just ignore it." He said, you will come across many people in your life who will tell you, do this, do that, don't do this, don't do that, this is good for you, this is not good for you, but you follow your heart. You follow your passion. I have followed my heart all my life. I have listened to my heart all my life. So go for it. So that's what he said. He said that there's just one life. There'll be certain decisions in life that will go in your favor, and you'll be happy about it. There'll be few decisions that may not go in your favor. Take them as lessons of life, but always, always follow your heart. So I think that's the best conversation that I had with him, and that's the biggest learning from him. And he really lives in our hearts, is what
Yes.
I would say. But yes, he did mention that whatever you do it with utmost sincerity, honesty, and complete dedication. Give your 100% to it. And he said, "My best wishes are always with you." So that's the best conversation that I had. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Devi. And we're really happy that you're launching this program today to carry forward his legacy.
It's
Thank
Abu's
you.
love that's making it happen. Yes. Thank you. I can imagine ना उनकी आवाज जिस तरह उन्होंने बात करी होगी, जिस तरह उन्होंने
Yes.
और होगा हुन छट हुन जो करना है कर हुन
No,
अपनी
but he actually motivated and inspired him that, this is what you should do. I mean, always follow your heart. And
Yes.
yeah,
I can
so
imagine this आवाज.
yeah, because that's what he has done all his life. He just
And
listened to his heart. Yeah.
yes, he has. He has. He did it his way. Yes. Bharat, you get your passion for photography, I think, from Abu. All his cameras are in Amritsar, all for you, bache. All for you.
I don't know how that works. I didn't learn photography from him. He didn't pick photography as like a professional school as such, but he just picked it and he was awesome at it. I don't have all the privilege like my sisters. Thank God he didn't put dupattas and shades on me and clicked me. But I was just speaking with Ujala and Chani earlier that isn't this amazing how I don't know how it comes through the blood that I picked photography. More than that, I remember when I used to go visit him, he had this immense collection of music. And every time I saw him, he said, I got these new speakers. And if you actually look in the house, very coincidentally, I carry some very similar brands of speakers now. But it's magical. But Didi, thank you for inviting me. And what a way to honor him by starting a mentorship and a scholarship program. And when I was asked to come here, you take a step back and think of all the fond memories that you've spent with him, and it's like an ocean. It goes on and it gets deeper. But I know I can't share all that stuff. given the time, but then I was thinking of what's the best way to summarize it. And every memory that I have of his has two things that come about pretty strongly. I think he was a brilliant combination of strength and warmth at the same time. I think that's the balance that he brought. It's really visible in the pictures and the video that he very nicely made. The warmth that he carried connected him to the causes that he picked, whether it was children and people and other things which are really needed. But what's not visible in the videos and the pictures is the strength that he had, the strength that it took for him to continue to do what he wanted to do. Chani just mentioned it wasn't easy. You just don't get resources in the social sector. But he kept going. He was giving, and the more he gave, the more he received to be able to do more. So I just think in this mentorship program, I know a lot of children deserving ones will get a lot, whether it's education or other things or the opportunities. But I wish and I hope that they inculcate these values of strength and the warmth and the balance to keep them humble. I try to do that as much as I can in my life.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Bache. Yes, Abu was about inner strength. And BG was his strength. BG kept him going. BG was his strength. Mama, the video says his wife, his life. His life, his wife. Ma.
Ujala said he would always give. But you cannot go home without a present. And he would say, "Mera birthday present kithe hai? Mere vaste ki le aayi hai?" That's it. And he was very fond of, and then he would have a special place for that present.
Yes.
So the house was always full of presents received, gifts received. And then he would show you around, "Eh menu enne dita, eh menu enne dita, eh menu enne dita." He was very fond of receiving gifts and by demand. But the best part is that I think there was a great trust in me. He was very confident in whatever decisions I take that he would stand by, that I would take it in the right earnest. So that way he was a big source of strength for me. It sort of during the entire lawyers' agitation, when I faced a massive lawyers' agitation in Delhi. Anytime he was approached in Amritsar, that what is Kiran doing, he would say, "Kiran knows what she's doing." That kind of a faith he had mutually. I think he was a rare man, and he was a man ahead of his time, far ahead of his time as a husband. One may come across such people these days, but when I look back to 1975 when we got married, he was ahead of his time. Just as my parents were ahead of their time in bringing up 4 daughters, so was he and my mother-in-law, BG. They were both ahead of their time, both as a husband and as a mother-in-law, which is why I could give to the service unstinted attention and all my energy. So I think he will always be remembered for being a husband who was ahead of his time for a working woman of the kind I was. We could recover all his students now. What I think we could begin with, is create a Bridge Bedi alumni. Recover trace those girls whom he had funded and given scholarships to. So immediately first start working, finding out from his Amritsar friends. Because many girls, many sportswomen, many girls sports, he gave scholarships out of his own personal earnings. So I think if we can, where are those girls now? We could trace them. Some of them may be settled and have happy families, but they wouldn't be what they are today, remembering Bridge. So I think when we do the next mentorship annual, first of all, it brings the family together. bring Bubbly together, Bubbly and other nieces and nephews. I think we could bring them also into next mentorship program. Bring the friend in Dubai, your niece, your cousin in Dubai. Bring Bubbly into the program and other relatives. Gigi, I think we could bring his first cousins also. So you can create a Bridge Bedi family. As Bharat said, let's bring this is a mentorship program owned by the family as a whole. And then they would assume their own roles in what they can contribute to. But at the moment, family is the core. Then you can also bring Bridge Bedi friends. Like you brought Mr. Kuldeep Singh, you can bring Mr. Oberoi, Ashok Sethi, Harjinder, and others. So you can have and you can have the family core and you can have the friends core. So create a family core where the family enters, which is the Bedi linked, and then you can create a friends core, which is they were linked. So you can have the friend core and the family core, and then the Bridge Bedi students and the alumni. I think these three groups you can form, Guchu, and proceed. So, and then you take it forward. Maybe some may need upskilling further. You can begin from where he left. I think that would be the way we could begin in the year 1 of remembering him.
ठीक है जी मम्मी, जरूर सारा कुछ करांगे जरूर. Mummy, when Harinder uncle will join us, Nirmal auntie is joining us, Ashok uncle is joining us, Sandeep bhaiya is joining us. The bachas will go and the elders will come. But before we call them, there's a small video. रिंकू, निर्मल आंटीज डॉटर, उन्होंने कुछ रिकॉर्ड करा है, बबली बुआ ने लिख के दिया है, कबीर ने भी लिखा है. So we just see that and then call the elders. Thank you Bharat, thank you Ujala Buchi, thank you Chandni, thank you, big warm hug, thank you.
Very good. You brought the other close friends who were closer, who were basically his extended family.
हाँ जी, उनकी फैमिली. हाँ जी. आप अनूप जी रिंकू का वीडियो दिखाएं.
A few words about Mr. Bridge Bedi. To the world, he was Mr. Bridge Bedi. To me and my sister and my family, he was Bridge Uncle. Wow, going down the memory lane. He was my best friend, my mentor, a fantastic human being, a great photographer, a socialist and activist trying to make changes. He had a heart of gold. I remember my younger days when I first saw Uncle and I thought, wow, he is truly a Hollywood star, so good looking with that deep voice. And I was a little bit nervous of him, but when I got to know him, he was just so easy to talk to, so relatable, so loving. He was a father figure too, but mostly he was my best friend. Could talk to him about anything. He was always positive, very empowering. He loved girls. He wanted to, I know we are three sisters, so I'm the middle one. And he always used to encourage us to reach our potential. So in all essence, he was a complete man, a great person, and he's left a legacy back. And he is really missed by all the people he touched, and certainly me and my family and my sisters. We love him so much and hope that his legacy is revived again.
Thank you. अनूप जी, आप सबको लाएं स्क्रीन पे प्लीज. हरिंदर अंकल, सत श्री अकाल अंकल, संदीप भैया, Mama?
Very good. Where's mummy? Acha, where's mummy? Sandeep? Where's mummy?
Bhaiya?
Huh. Where's mama?
He's at home. I'm actually in the factory right now.
Oh, mummy is at home. Acha, you in the factory. Acha.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
good. It's a very good. Arindam, very good that Guchus brought all her extended family together. You were his real family.
Anji. Anji.
We are very happy to be part of this.
I'm
Thank
so
you.
happy. She's brought us together.
जी जी भैया a few words about Abu. आपकी memories कुछ anything you want to share? Sandeep भैया, anything you would like to share?
Too, since my childhood, I've been associated with Mr. Brij Bedi, but I used to call him Bedi Chacha always. He was very close to my dad. He was a family. This been our family.
Yes.
So since I joined my factory, I've been visiting his factory.
Yes.
And it was a factory, and it was a workshop where he would make art.
Yes.
So I've been seeing him do photography. He was an art lover, collecting paintings, music, and he was always giving away, donating. Apart from the school, I remember one small incident that he was sponsoring a biology student, and that student once wanted a skeleton for preparing. So he went around the town hunting for that skeleton so that he could send it to that student. He was an amazing man. My God.
Yes. Very caring. Yes. Yes.
Very caring, always giving and expecting nothing in return. And then came up his Makbulpura school. That was his lifeline. So, and he was a friend. He was like a father. He was everything. We had so much fun together. We've had very nice times at his factory. We would all chill around. Every afternoon, we would meet there for a sandwich or a soup. In the winter, we would sit out in the sun. And he was so fond of Harinder ji and family, Nirmal auntie and everybody. It was a huge extended family. My God. And it still feels like yesterday.
हाँ जी, वो सब याद आ रहा है. अब्बू की
सब
मग.
याद आ रहा है. And it is
अब्बू की
मग. We really miss him.
Yes, yes. मम्मा के लिए तो स्पेशली वो गरम गरम उनका वो बीजी would keep बादाम का शरबत रेडी, नारंगी का स्क्वाश रेडी.
Narangi, those pickles, and he would be so excited whenever auntie was to visit Amritsar. Everybody, all his friends would know that Kiran aa rahi hai, unme hai khilana hai, karna hai, you know. Ashok ji, Sethi Saab, everybody would come and he would organize everything.
Yes. और मम्मी के लिए कोई भी इंटरव्यू होता था तो द न्यू कोट, नया कोट जरूर आता था.
He was a very stylish man, and every now and then he was very fond of wearing good clothes. He loved life, basically.
Yes. Very vibrant. Very bright.
Also, yes.
Vibrant. And a very dear friend. आप ना उनसे अपनी दिल की बात कर सकते थे. You could talk to him about.
And the best part, it would remain with him.
It would remain with him.
Yeah.
It would remain with him. बहुत शौक, और उनको घर से जाने का बड़ा शौक, क्रिएटिविटी का बहुत शौक, प्यार बड़ा करते.
To see an honest and a straightforward person like him.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. हरिंदर अंकल.
The newspaper took 5 years to see His Majesty. They always belong to nature. Amritsar shared the heritage, Amritsar shared the traffic management. Barrio always worried Rande Sanji. और पर्सनली वो आप ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਟਾਈਮਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਰੈਂਸ ਰੋਡ ਚੌਂਕ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਿਕ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਨ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਿਕ ਦੇ ਰੂਲਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਸਨ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ੈਬਰਾ ਕ੍ਰਾਸਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ, ਇਹ ਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਭਾਜੀ ਹੋਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ। ਔਰ ਮੋਰ ਓਵਰ ਹੀ ਵਾਸ ਵਰੀਡ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦਾ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਆਫ ਲੋ ਪਾਵਰਟੀ ਲਾਈਨ। ਉਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬੜੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਨ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਫੀਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁੱਕਸ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ। ਐਂਡ ਮੋਰ ਓਵਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਕਬੂਲਪੁਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਸਿਫਤਾਂ ਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਨੀਆਂ ਹੀ ਥੋੜੀਆਂ। ਲਾਸਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਕੋਈ 50 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਭਾਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟਡ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਭਾਜੀ ਦੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਣ ਦੇ ਬੜੇ ਸ਼ੌਕੀਨ ਸਨ ਭਾਜੀ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਯਾਰ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਬਣਾਈਏ, ਅੱਜ ਫਲਾਨ ਬਣਾਈਏ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੜਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਟਾਈਮ ਭਾਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕੀਤਾ ਔਰ ਭਾਜੀ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਬੜਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਇਨਸਪਾਇਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਨ ਭਾਜੀ। ਮੇਰਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੇ ਸਦਕੇ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਜੋ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੇ ਬਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਕੰਮ ਸਨ, ਲਾਸਟ ਆਈ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਭਾਜੀ ਫੋਰਟਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ, ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਅਟੈਚਮੈਂਟ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਘਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਬੜੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਏ। ਤੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੈਡ ਟੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੀ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਸੀ, ਜਾ ਕੇ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆ ਜਾਣੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਕੋਲ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਪੀਣੀ। ਤੇ ਆਈ ਸਟਿਲ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੇ ਵਰਡਸ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਯਾਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰੱਬ 2 ਸਾਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ ਦੇਵੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਕੰਮ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਰ ਲਾਂ। ਸੋ ਐਨੀਵੇ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਹੈ। ਜਿੰਨੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਵਾਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਸੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਕੀਤੇ। ਹੁਣ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਕੰਮ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰੇ ਕਰੀਏ ਤੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਦੀ ਲੈਗੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਈਏ। Thank you very much and I appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
Nirmal aunty is joining us, uncle जी? अच्छा, निर्मल आंटी है, शोक अंकल नहीं आए है ना? अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं जी। अंकल जब अबू अमृतसर से दिल्ली आ रहे थे ना, वो प्लेन में उनको, तो फोन पे उनको बात करी। वो बस इतने बड़े खुश थे कि वो मम्मा के साथ है। कहंदे ले हुन मैं चलिया दिल्ली ते हुन मैं रहना उत्थे। And then in a few days I got a picture. Mummy and Abu were sitting in their balcony and having their lunch together. That was a very, very, it completed the picture for me. And it completed.
मैं ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਵੀਕ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ 15-20 ਦਿਨ ਉਹ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਏ ਸੀ। ਬੜੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਸਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਏ ਸਨ ਜੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ।
Nirmal aunty
he was very happy when he came back from Delhi, and I remember he used to check his weight. He had lost weight here in Amritsar, and when he came back from Delhi, he had gained weight. And he was so well looked after, and his stories would continue. मैं खांदा सी, मैंने किरण जबरदस्ती खवांदी थी. He was, you know, that was a very good time that he spent there.
बड़ी खुश थी जी।
Mama, anything when Abu had come to Delhi, then we can continue the program because Nirmal aunty and Ashok uncle have been able to join us.
No, I'm so glad he did visit home. Except that after a while, he started to miss Harinder and Asha and Sandeep and Nirmal and all of them. He started to feel lonely, even there. A time came when he wanted to now start to say, "Main kar jana." Then I didn't want to hold him back. So therefore, there was an issue. What do I do? I want to go back. Main kar jana. Hun wo kehne lag gaye si main kar jana. वो बहुत हो गया. So therefore, one had to bring him back. Otherwise, we had the All India Institute there, and things could have. But he was double-minded, and I didn't want to force him to stay back. With the result, I too had to leave home and come back to Amritsar. With the but the support system was bigger. In a way, support system was much bigger in Amritsar with all his friends, and he was very happy with friends. वो हरिंदर and Nirmal और संदीप के नाल बड़े खुश थे और अपना स्कूल तो ऑफ कोर्स नहीं जा सकते सी बट वो अपनी immediate family ਦੇ ਨਾਲ he was more at home. I noticed that.
Yes, of course. Harinder uncle, Sandeep bhaiya, Ashok uncle, Nirmal auntie are all our family. They are family.
They were close. They were his integral part of life.
Integral part of everything, and I seek so much blessings from all of them. Harinder uncle continuously sends me all his blessings every single day, and I feel I'm getting Abbu's blessings through him every morning. Every morning, I get Harinder uncle's blessings every morning.
I also get it.
Yes. But uncle, you said it. We are going to complete Abbu de sare balance come. Jo na de, he's 81. Mere vaste hun 81 hai. So I interact with him in my own way. And Amritsar nahi chhadya. But now he's going to travel. He's traveling. And we'll complete everything. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੈ, we'll talk to them about Abbu. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ we'll tell them.
Harinder would be able to identify some traced back some children.
ਹਾਂਜੀ mama, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
We can begin with some children who can be traced back. अगर कोई सानू मिल जाए उनका the record के बच्चे कौन है.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
I will try to find out you.
ਹਾਂਜੀ. We can begin with a few. ਉਹੀ ਬਲਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਸਕਣਗੇ. They might tell us who is who. So I think it will start a network. And then they could start running this program themselves in his memory.
Karange, we've launched the mentorship program today. You've given us so much of blessing.
I remember he had a few files. I don't know if we could locate them at the house. He would prepare files of all the students and wrestlers that he would sponsor. I remember a couple of yellow files in his office. I don't know if you can locate.
If Bubbly, because when Bubbly visits Arinda, when Bubbly visits, she kept the records. If she can trace the file, if amongst the papers he has.
And the next time, Bubbly can ध्यान के तो we will find out.
पूछ सकते हैं. हाँ जी.
माँ हम एक पूरा सेक्शन बना लेंगे एलुमनाई का और एक ये 6 बच्चे, तो हम दोनों को अच्छे से बैलेंस करके हम हमारा मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम आगे बढ़ाएंगे. Mummy, would you like to conclude the program because Ashok uncle and Nirmal auntie have not been able to join us?
So bete ek to annually we must come together like this, family and family, extended family, the way we are. And secondly, we can start this. We've already agreed upon. We'd identify. Harinder can help us trace. We can begin with a few, and then go on need based. Every child's need. What is the need? If there is a need, otherwise they're part of the goodwill.
Yes. And बच्चा भी कितना keen है आगे वदन वास्ते.
And I would suggest keep this Amritsar based right now.
ठीक है जी.
Let's identify the person in need in Amritsar rather than Delhi, etc. I think Amritsar based because that was his Karam Bhumi. Amritsar based ही रखो and identify कितना उत्थे ज़्यादा लोड है, लोगां नू लोड है, दिल्ली वालियां नू नहीं लोड. I think ज़रूरत is more in Amritsar.
ठीक है जी, ज़रूर. We keep the flag flying high. Harinder
his hometown. And then we'll expand later. At the moment, revival of those in Amritsar and any new need which you could identify. And when things are better, when you visit Delhi next, if you can just go to when things are better. At the moment, it's not the travel time. But maybe later when things become normal, then we'll see. But at the moment, I think to stay phase 1, we can go conservatively and recover all the students, trace, create, and then you do a webinar with those children, talk to them, and then see where they are, and then go from that level. So let's first make the founder base of his beneficiaries or the alumni.
ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮੰਮਾ ਹਰਿੰਦਰ ਅੰਕਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਸੰਦੀਪ ਭਈਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਐਂਡ we'll make a plan and Shakira ਬਹੁਤ Abu was very fond of her. Shakira will be in touch. I will of course will be in touch. But ਦੇਖੋ Shakira ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ bond ਹੈ ਅਬੂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ bond ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣਾ bond ਹੈ and made it with so much of love. I mean, I really thank her for today. I really thank Shakira for today. And my family joins me, they and me. They love Abu, Abu loves them. So we are here. Mommy, with your permission, do we conclude the program?
Yes, thank you. And appreciate. Really, you've done your father proud by taking up this leadership.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
More and more children get to now connect with his essence and your essence, because Amritsar ke bachche वापस they will get to talk to him, meet him. Thank you. Abu's right here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay,
Abu's
beta.
right here. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. We
Thank
just see a little small video before we conclude. Thank
Okay.
you. Jai Dhari Ma. This is all Ma's Kripa.
Yeah.
Thank
Jai
you.
Dhari.